Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the MG-ZR roof lining, headlining, whatever you want to call it. In this part, basically you'll be taking all this sort of disgusting foam stuff off. Found a technique to be able to do it with a razor blade, and this seems to be working a little bit. It does, but going to take quite a while. So let's just stick at it and hope you enjoy. The next part of this arduous task is getting all the glue off the back of this. We tried a couple of different things. We tried white spirit, seemed to do the job, but then obviously being a car enthusiast and a detailer, I was lucky and I had a bottle of this lying around, and yeah, that really does do the job. Just the downside is it's probably going to take about 4 hours to do it, so let's get on with it. So, after a bit of elbow grease and a lot of help from these couple of products here, we managed to get 99% of the disgusting glue off of it. So if you're going to do that in the future, then I would highly suggest you get yourself a glue and tar remover. Either one of these two done the job. Razor blade, some microfibers you don't mind destroying, because yeah, that looks like something else. And definitely get yourself an extra pair of hands, because that certainly helped me out. So, after an hour of trying to fit this, with help thank God, it looks half decent. There's some couple of glue stains where I'm hoping they'll just dry out and go clear. If not, I'll try and get some glue and tar remover onto it and see what happens. So the next part of the arduous task of doing this headlining is painting all these. I'm just going to go in matte black because I think that'll look quite decent and it'll match the dashboard inside. And also the previous owner fitted this boost gauge pod and went half black, half cream, so I'll just finish off his work and hopefully make it look a bit better when it's all nice and matte black and decent in. Thank you for joining me on this. As you can see, headline is all in now, looking a lot better, I would say, than the sagging circus tent that we had on the start. And yeah, I won't be doing this in a hurry again, so please join me again for the next video. Hit the subscribe, the like, and yeah, see you on the next one and see what the ZR Turbo's got in store for us next.